Hello guys, this is Nikhil Shinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the Java Loops 2 HackerRank problem. Here they gave us the one series like a plus 2 raised to 0 into b. Second element is a plus 2 raised to 0 into b plus 2 raised to 1 into b, and go on. And last element is 2 raised to n minus 1 into b. So this problem is little bit tricky but not difficult. So let's see the input format. The first line contains an integer q which is denoting the number of queries. Each line I of q subsequent the lines contains three space separated integers describing the respectively as ai, bi and ni values for that queries. Okay. These are the constraints related to the A, B, and N. These are not that much important. So let's go to the output format. For each query, print the corresponding series on new line, and then each series must be printed in order as single of n space separated integers. Now let's see the sample inputs. There are two lines, okay, 0 to 10 and 5 3 5, and then we have to print 2 6 14 13 up to 98. Okay, yes. Now first test case is like we use here a equal to 0, b equal to 2 and n equal to 10. Yes, it's the easiest one because they already gave us the outer for loop. Here in this problem we have to use nested for loop. Nested means for loop under the for loop. They already gave us the outer for loop, just we need to write the code for inner for loop. So they took the inputs from user that a, b and n. So we're gonna write the inner for loop for n, for I int j. Yes, here we don't have to use I because in outer for loop it's already used I as a variable. So here we're gonna use j as a variable. So int j equal to 0, j less than n, and j plus plus. For increment by 1 only. Then a equal to a plus b according to this series. Follow this series pattern. A plus 2 raised to 0 into b we want. So that's why first of all we need to write a equal to a plus b. Then again in second line we have to print the value of a. For that a plus comma. Look at this output sample. Here the all the numbers are having the some specific space in between them. So that's why in print statement we have to use a plus and then some empty space. Again third line we have to write the code for b, like b equal to b raised to 2 because in the series the b increment by 2 to the power, so that's why b equal to b raised to 2. Yes, after that we have to print one empty line in between two lines. So that's why system.out.println and then empty space. Let's see it is correct or not. Let's run the code. Yeah, it's correct. So it's correct one. Now let's submit the code. Yeah, we successfully clear all the test cases.